Item: SCP-206. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: as SCP-206 is currently unable to be secured, an information suppression plan has been put into effect to conceal its existence. Frequencies known to be used by SCP-206 are to be monitored, and all images relayed to Earth via other probes or satellites deleted from non-Foundation assets after they have been retrieved. Technology and astronomy websites, journals and periodicals are to be monitored for discussion of the rover or the receipt of unusual photographs. See document 206AA12 for complete list. Persons who become aware of the existence of SCP-206 are to be administered amnestics. Update 30th of November 2020. As orbital observation of SCP-206 has proven possible, agents within satellite and aerial imaging organizations are directed to keep watch for instances of SCP-206, and remove the images concerned. Deployment of image corruption cover story suggested. Description: SCP-206 is a Martian exploratory rover. Designation: Invictus. Launched on 12 August 2020 as part of a joint Russian Space Research Institute-European Space Agency effort. Exact object specifications are listed in document 206AA1. Despite a successful launch aboard a Soyuz FG rocket, telemetry data was lost on 16 January 2020, roughly halfway to Mars. Attempts to re-establish communication failed, and on 10 February 2020 the craft was declared lost. On 8 June 2020, a day after Invictus was planned to arrive on the Martian surface, a connection was established with ESA flight control on the rover's assigned frequency. Before terminating at the source, 38 photographs were transmitted, appearing to show views of the expected landing zone in the Victoria crater. 3 days later, a further batch of 11 images was received, showing a drastically different location, later determined to be in the Cydonia Mensae, roughly 2,500 kilometers due south. The Foundation was informed of the incidents by operatives at the ESA shortly thereafter, and moved to investigate. Containment procedures were instituted on 21 June 2020, when ESA Control received a batch of 5 images showing panoramic views of the Martian surface, apparently taken from its satellite Deimos. How the rover, which, as designed, is rated at maximum speed of 90 meters per hour on flat ground, traveled between these locations is currently unknown. SCP-206 contacts Earth sporadically, utilizing its original channel. Data redacted. Once a connection is established, it uploads a number of images in varying formats. Pictures received do not always correspond to the hardware originally installed on Invictus, though the signature and session initiation packets match those programmed. Tracking stations have received a total of images. A large number of these images, roughly 38%, appear to have been taken on Earth, or worlds similar to it, differing in some detail. The remaining photographs seem to have been taken on, or in the region of, various celestial bodies, only a small percentage of which are currently identified. Periods between transmission vary considerably. The shortest registered to date is 26 hours, the longest 511 hours. Despite visual confirmation of the existence of something resembling the rover, see Addendum 206-1, no trace of it has been found in the received images, even when the scene includes a reflective surface. Further, a number of photographs show locations exceedingly difficult, if not impossible for a rover the size and shape of Invictus to access.